What's going on out there, good people? It is your boy Look Around with LMD Trading. Hope all is well. Hope you had a good day and you know what time it is. It is time to get these trades reviewed for May 13th, Friday 13th. And today we are finishing the week out green. Nice solid one and done green trade today. As the title says, I wish they could all be this easy, even though we know trading is not easy. So let's go ahead. Let's get the thumbnail watch list pulled up without any further delay, and we'll take a peek and see what we were watching. Decent watch list today. Decent watch list today. Still had some momentum, looks like it, from yesterday. And today, we had on the watch list for our option plays, SQ, we had AMD, we had Apple, and we had UPST, Upstart. Also had AMC and Coin on the watch list for carryovers. And then for stock trades, we had CGEM, which was a carryover. VERU, which was a new one, and that one we took a couple of trades on in our main account that were some nice trades. And then we had RIDE, which was another carryover. And of course the markets, which we took no trades on the market today. Like I said, we were one and done on AMD. And if you just take a peek at the watch list today, look at the green lines. That is why I like having the previous day's highs and previous day's lows on my charts. And I need to stay consistent with trading it above it, or don't trade it at all, or below it and don't trade it at all. But look at these things. Missed a good trade on SQ. Wanted to take a trade there. We missed the entry, so we left it alone. Look at AMD. Look at AMD. We got in this one maybe 15, 20 minutes after the open. Hit our target and we were done. But this thing has just been running all morning. Apple, we see Apple traded. It opened below it. It got up to it, just kind of meandered along. And this is what we like to see. That move right there, and then confirmation that it's going to continue higher. Could have taken a trade down here as it tested the VWAP, getting in right here. That wouldn't have been a bad trade once it cleared high of day. That actually would not have been a bad trade. Upstart, another one. Chopped along, testing. Once we got confirmation right here, off to the races. And if you look, you see that it made the move above, and then it came back and tested that exact area, and it's just been running. Like I say, we got a good trade on VERU, and that was the morning. It made no sense to keep trading, potentially give back those profits. So let's go ahead. We're going to pull up TRADERVUE, take a look at the particulars. Again, we are reviewing trades from Friday the 13th. For those that are superstitious, for those that think either Jason or Freddy, whichever one it is. I never watched horror movies as a kid, so I don't know who Friday the 13th was. But it was not a horrible day today in the market. And chilling out in Relentless Traders chat room, quite a few people had good days. So I was not the only one that was green today. But let's go ahead and look at the details. Took one trade today, closed P&L $100. AMD. Let's look at the finer details. Got in this trade at 947. We took two calls. These were May 13th calls, so they are expiring today. So we usually can get them at a discounted rate. Paid $132 per contract. We sold them for $182. We made $50 a contract. That equals $100 closed P&L. So we're going to go ahead and bring the charts up. And if you have not already hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell, click all, and that way you'll be notified anytime I take a trade. But let's go ahead. Let's pull up AMD. And y'all have to apologize. I'm not sure why OBS has become so slow on my end. I'm going to have to do some research this weekend because it is lagging horribly, and I'm looking at it. It's using like 50% of my CPU usage, which is crazy. But that's neither here nor there. Let's go ahead, take care of the business at hand. And let's see where we were getting in these trades at. I need to turn pre-market off on this chart real quick. And then save it. And I blame it on OBS, but it's just my computer is just lagging all the way around. It's not just OBS, I don't think, right now. I have to check that out because this is ridiculous. I hate working on a computer that just lags. Luckily, I didn't have this problem trading this morning. So we took the first trade at 947. So let us see what we were seeing at 947. Boy, oh boy, this thing is lagging. All right, so 937. Let's come on over here. And we see AMD open, hung out right here at the previous day's high. Broke the 50 moving average. We wanted to get in right here as it was breaking and holding, but we kind of missed it in this candle and got in on the next candle. Kind of gave us a chance to get in the trade. Stop was going to be down here. So good entry. We see it never looked back. And we got out of this thing at 953. Where is 953 at? Man, this thing is lagging like cray-cray. All right, got out right there. And this is why I said I wish they could all be this easy. Nice, clean move. No red candles, nowhere in there. And we just put our stop, we put our target, and we just let this trade go. We did not try to manage it for the most part. Stop, or actually, let's run it back. We got our entry where we want to get in. We got our stop, and we got our target, and we just let this trade work. We see we left quite a bit of money on the table. What did we say? We paid $132 for this contract. Right now, this same contract is trading at $495. People are paying $495 for this contract. And we had two of them. When we bought it, the delta was around 25. Right now, that delta is at 96. So for every dollar that this thing moves, it's paying $100. Gotta love options. You gotta love options. So that was the trade. That was it. We were one and done. Like I said, we got our entry, we got our stop, we got our target. Let the trade do what it do. And we did just that. And we done. Go out and enjoy the rest of the day. Where can you make $100 in 6 minutes? Do the math on that. That's pretty good. And that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Finding a nice solid trade, sticking to your plan. I'm going to swap back over real quick to my big screen. It's probably going to be lagging like crazy, but it is what it is. And you see the shirt that I'm wearing today? You could read this two different ways. I always mess with people. You write, execute, and follow your plan, or you could write your plan, execute your plan, and then follow your plan. And that's what we did today. Like I said, we had an entry price where we wanted to get in. We did initially miss it, but the trade gave us an opportunity on the next candle to come back in and get it. We set our stop, we set our target, and we just let this trade work. So hope y'all enjoyed this quick review. If so, again, please hit that like button, and we will catch you next week in the market. Peace.